Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Half-Life 2 on Switch. While Valve's iconic first-person shooter was never officially released for Nintendo's hybrid console, dedicated fans have found clever, unofficial ways to bring it to the platform. Be aware that these methods generally require a modified Switch and come with certain performance considerations. We will explore two primary approaches to get you playing. One popular method involves streaming Half-Life 2 directly from your personal computer to your Nintendo Switch. You'll need to install Sunshine software on your PC and the Moonlight client on your modified Switch. This setup allows your computer to do the heavy lifting, sending the video feed to your handheld. For the best experience, ensure you have a robust local network connection, ideally 5 GHz Wi-Fi, and consider overclocking your Switch's central processing unit for smoother frame rates. Another intriguing option involves an unofficial port created by modders, utilizing the Portal Companion Collection on Switch. Since Portal 1 is built on the Half-Life 2 engine, many core game files were present in the Switch release. This allows for a rudimentary port, but it is far from perfect. You might encounter frequent crashes, visual anomalies, and issues with saving your progress. This method also requires a modified Switch and specific Half-Life 2 game files. Before diving in, it's crucial to understand that both methods discussed require a modified Nintendo Switch. Performance can vary greatly, with some users experiencing smooth gameplay at 30 frames per second, while others encounter significant stuttering. There are also inherent risks associated with unofficial modifications, including potential system instability or even console bans from online services. Always proceed with caution and ensure you are comfortable with the technical requirements involved.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.